Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for notes. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can select from many pre-built templates or begin with a blank canvas. Utilize headings, text blocks, and dividers to structure your thoughts logically. Incorporate bullet points, numbered lists, and toggle lists to organize information efficiently, making your notes easy to read and navigate. This foundational step is crucial for effective note-taking. To elevate your note-taking, leverage Notion's rich media capabilities. Easily embed images, videos, and web links directly into your pages, creating a comprehensive resource. For more structured data, employ databases to manage tasks, projects, or research, offering powerful filtering and sorting options. Connect related pages using internal links, building a web of interconnected knowledge that is simple to traverse and understand. Keeping your notes organized is key to long-term productivity. Within databases, assign tags and properties to categorize your entries, allowing for quick filtering and retrieval. Consider establishing a central Master Notes page, serving as a dashboard to link all your important content. When you need to find something specific, Notion's robust search bar can locate any piece of information across your entire workspace in mere seconds. To maximize your Notion note-taking, adopt a consistent naming convention for all your pages and databases. This ensures clarity and ease of access. Make it a habit to regularly review and refine your system, adapting it as your needs evolve. Don't hesitate to explore the vast library of community-shared templates for fresh ideas and efficient workflows. These practices will significantly enhance your note-taking experience over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.